How's it going, guys? This is just a quick video on how to oil your air filter. Now, yeah, pretty simple thing to do, but very important to do. Some people miss it. It's just a little tip on how I do it. I think it's a lot easier. And most people tend to use carry a bag, put your oil in there, stuff like that, which is alright, but you can't judge how much you put on there. So this is a little tip I found from Dirt and Iron, which is a very good tip, and I'm just going to show you how you do it. Just get your air filter oil. I mean, I use Liquid Molly's. Doesn't matter what you use. Get yourself a little squidgy bottle. You get your air filter. I mean, this is an old air filter, so I'm just doing this to show you. And then I just do sways like round like this. And you can see it just marks it all up. You can get a nice even all the way around, you see. Just work your way into the middle. Make sure you're covered everywhere evenly. And then just massage it in to the filter like this. Be careful obviously not to twist at your air filter because you don't want to damage the foam. You just keep working oil in basically. Scrump up. Just work it nicely in there. And like I say, the carry bag trick's good, but it, you can't get a good liberal amount evenly across the whole air filter. So it's got a nice even amount of oil. And what I always do as well is I just go around here as well. Do a nice generous amount, don't have to be too frightened to use it. I'll just do this. Keep working it all in there. And there you go. You have one nicely evenly oiled air filter. Have a good one, guys. See you later.